Keeping track of your Gemini AI work so you do not hit unexpected limits is very simple once you know exactly where Google placed the status dashboard. We are jumping right into the steps so you can check your usage limits on both desktop computers and mobile devices without wasting any of your valuable time. If you are using a computer browser, navigate directly to gemini.google.com and look down at the lower left sidebar. Click on the Settings gear icon. In the pop-up menu that appears, click right where it says Usage Limits. That action immediately opens your live status page. If you are using a mobile phone, open up the Gemini application, tap the menu icon near the top corner, select that Settings gear icon, and then tap on Usage Limits. Once you arrive on this screen, you will see a full breakdown of your remaining compute resources. The important thing is that Gemini tracks your activity across two separate meters. At the top, you have your current usage progress bar, which tracks your short 5-hour rolling window. Directly under this bar, the screen displays your exact percentage used, along with the precise time when that 5-hour window resets. Below that section, you will locate your weekly limit tracker. This secondary bar shows how much of your total weekly allowance you have consumed, alongside the exact date and time for your next weekly refresh. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to managing your prompts. Staying aware of these numbers gives you total control over your workflow, but there is a major trade-off you need to keep in mind. Running heavy tasks like deep research, extended thinking, or generating long code files drains your percentage bars significantly faster than standard text questions. In my case, I always check the percentage used progress bar before starting any big project. If you see that your current usage progress bar is sitting near 80 or 90%, you know you should wait for that upcoming reset time rather than starting a complex prompt and getting cut off in the middle of your work. If you do happen to hit the limit cap, Gemini temporarily locks access to higher level models until your reset timer hits 0, though you can still switch over to lighter models to finish basic tasks. Checking this menu area regularly ensures you never get surprised by a sudden compute cap while working. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.